Can you guys see the lace? Like, this is how invisible this lace is.
Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking, that it'd be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh.
Today's wig comes from MyFirstWig. We are going to do another glueless style. Bob, let's take a look at what's inside. This is what the inside of this cap look like. There we go. That's what the hair color looks like. This is one of them styles that's definitely for your everyday lifestyle. This style is also glueless. You can wear it without glue. You don't need to glue it down. It comes slightly pre-styled with a bang. Straight out the box, I am really liking how natural this looks. The hair is so pretty. I love the highlights. The highlights are very soft in this hair. It gives just a little bit of color. What I do is just take the flat iron through the hair to kind of get those bends from it sitting in a box out. This hair is super silky. Like, as you can see, they did add the curl and the bang. So what I did is I went back with the hot comb and gave it lift right here. You can see it, but I probably still need to. It's kind of a little too curly. I may need to go back and still touch it with. As you can see, the hairline looks really good. So we're going to remove this lace so we can really get the full effect of this wig. This is how it fit at the ear area. With my first wig, really go by my cap size, so I don't have to cut off too much of the cap at the sides because it usually comes down right at the ear and I just only have a little bit to cut off. That's what we want right there. The same thing with this side. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. I did upload yesterday, so if you haven't seen that video, definitely go check it out. Alright, I'm cutting it all the way back to the hairline. Like I told you guys, when you're going glueless, you don't need to leave any lace, especially when the lace is as clear and invisible as the lace on this wig. And I will have this wig linked below in the description box. Position it. And I didn't use any lace tint or anything, and I'm not going to use the melting spray today because the cap fit, it definitely lays flat as it needs to. This piece is curled just a little bit awkwardly, so I'm just going to take this section here, and I want it to be just a little bit shorter, so I'm just going to bend it better so it can flow right. Let's do this. Okay, let's go this way with it. Can you guys see the lace? Like, this is how invisible this lace is. Like, look at that. Girl, the lace blends really well without glue, and I didn't use the melting spray or anything. So you can add edges if you want to, or you can just, you know, just leave it as is. Definitely that style that you want to wear if you work every day and you just want something simple to put on. I had to like switch the parting slightly just to get it to work. I honestly probably would prefer this style with the middle part. It's just, I don't know, it's just my preference. But for the most part, the hair is gorgeous. Like, the hair is so soft, very bouncy, lightweight. This is about a 150. I believe the length for this is maybe a 12-inch. But yeah, I like this style, you guys. I will have this wig linked below in the description box for you guys. As you can see, this is a completely glueless style, no glue.